All right, welcome back, folks. So we're going to cover enabling the dialer for your inbound and your outbound calling together. And let's go to what's familiar by now, and that will be the setup cog. And that's here. And before we select it, I'd like you to take a note of what you do not see. There's nothing Webex related, but we're going to fix that. Okay? So let's go ahead and select Setup. And this time, we're going to do a search for App Manager. So let's go ahead and type it. App Manager. And the purpose of this App Manager is to configure exactly which Webex features we're going to apply to which parts of the Salesforce app, so that the end user can utilize these awesome Webex features. We're going to accomplish that by going down to Lightning Sales. This is the only place that we can accomplish this. And we're going to get granular as we add this, the length and the width dimensions of how it appears on the page. So once again, back to the home page. Notice we do not see anything Webex related. So what we're going to do is go to Utility Items, Desktop Only, and we're going to add what's referred to as Utility Item. We're going to type in Webex. When you read the instructions, it's going to indicate Webex calling/chat component. But Webex is now tightly coupled and integrated, so the verbiage may vary depending on when you're doing this. Please make sure that the icon fallback is there and that you've selected Start automatically. And I believe 420 by 460 is the recommended for the panel width. And take a minute to look and see, as you add new utilities, how you'd like them in their order. I'm going to go ahead and select Save. Now let's flip back to the home page. I'm going to refresh. And something's different, and it would be this widget that's here. And we can go ahead and we can sign in.